कभी ऐसा लगा है कि तुम रोना चाहते हो पर रो नहीं पा रहे हो? लाइक you know that you're in pain and you really want to release your pain, you really want to cry but you're not able to cry. And even if you're crying, you feel like there is a big blockage in your throat. And even if your eyes are full of tears, the tears are not coming out. I know it's a very heavy feeling that you really want to cry, you really want to release your pain, but it's just not happening. Somehow you're not allowing yourself to cry. I know, it just hurts. It's just a very heavy feeling. Hi guys, I'm Sainath Rehan. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about this topic, which is very, very important for me. And I feel like we really don't know about this thing that we all suffer from somehow, somewhere in our lives. And it just keeps us stuck. It hurdles our growth in so many ways, and we don't even realize it, which is we are not able to cry. We can't cry. We have suppressed our emotions so much that we don't even know how to cry. And it's just a very heavy feeling, and we think that we are handling it well, but deep down, we know how much we are carrying inside of ourselves. I went through a phase where I stopped acknowledging my pain. I kept on saying ki I'm fine, it's not that bad, I'm handling it well, it's all cool. And I really thought that it was helping me, but it was not. And we all do this. We keep on saying to ourselves that we are fine, kuch nahi hua hai, I'm all good, because we are scared of vulnerability. हम कमज़ोर नहीं दिखना चाहते. हम नहीं चाहते that people call us as too sensitive, too weak, too emotional. And we start to hide our emotions, our feelings from the world so that we won't be called as too weak, too emotional, too sensitive, whatsoever. And one day we judge ourselves too much that we start to hide our emotions, our feelings, and stop acknowledging anything at all to ourselves as well. And we come to a point where we start judging ourselves for feeling anything at all. And you know why? Because somewhere along the way, we learned that vulnerability is disgusting. We learned that crying, showing emotions, feeling deeply makes us weak. And we started to judge ourselves, and we stopped feeling anything at all, or suppress our feelings. Even if we want to feel, we just don't feel it. We don't allow ourselves to feel. और इससे कुछ नहीं होता है, हमें ही नुकसान होता है. We know it. Your body, your soul, your mind knows what's affecting you. And we just keep trying to push it away. That's no, I'm cool enough to handle it. It's not hurting me. It's not affecting me. I'm a very badass. No, you're not. No one is. Everyone has emotions. Everyone has their own way of coping. But everyone does feel. There's no such thing that, no, he doesn't feel that much. No, she doesn't feel that much. उसके इमोशंस नहीं है, वो हैंडल कर लेती है. हैंडल हर कोई कर लेता है इन द एंड. पर क्या तरीका है आपके हैंडल करने का? क्या वो तरीका सही में सही है? बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू क्राई, आई डोंट थिंक दैट यू आर हैंडलिंग योर इमोशंस वेल. एंड व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड अलोंग द वे, दैट तुम जितना छुपाओगे, जितना दबाने की कोशिश करोगे, तुम्हारे इमोशंस उतने ही बाहर आएंगे. मत छुपाओ. एटलीस्ट खुद से तो मत छुपाओ. दुनिया को दिखाना है दैट यू आर वेरी स्ट्रांग. ओके फाइन. बट खुद के सामने क्यों फेक इमेज बना रहे हो? मत बनाओ. जस्ट एक्नॉलेज इट, व्हाट्स हर्टिंग यू. से इट आउट लाउड. क्राई आउट लाउड. नो वन केयर्स. एटलीस्ट स्टॉप judging yourself too much. Even if you're crying, stop calling yourself weak. Crying does not make you weak. It makes you strong, that you're able to cry, that you're able to release your emotions. It's very important to cry, it's very important to release every emotion. If you keep on carrying everything inside, it will destroy you. I'm telling you, it will destroy you. You won't even recognize yourself after some time. You won't even know how to feel, how to express. You won't even know how to sit with your emotions. You will feel very uncomfortable when you start to feel something. It will spoil your soul, I'm telling you, and you don't want that. So what I did in that phase of my life, or अभी भी जब मुझे लगता है that I'm trying to run away from my emotions or suppressing it, I did some things and I really think that it can help you all out as well. It can really help you out as well. Just do it regularly. Just be consistent with your positive practices because it will help, things will change, you will feel better, but only if you apply it regularly and stop being harsh with yourself. You're a human being, you are allowed to feel things. And so, here are some tips and things I did to help myself, and I really think that it can help you all out as well. Number one, acknowledge your pain. Don't run away, don't be in denial. Just accept what's hurting you. In raw language, झप्पी पालो भाई अपनी पेन को. I'm telling you, जब खुशी आती है हमारे जीवन में तो हम उसको बोलते हैं क्या, why God, why it's happening with me? No, right? तो दुख को भी हमें एक्सेप्ट करना है, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. आई नो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. जब दुख आता है, इट हर्ट्स अस, इट मेक्स अस फील वीक, एंड वी डोंट लाइक टू फील वीक, बट इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. जितना एक्सेप्ट करोगे उतना ईजी होगा तुम्हारे लिए. सो जस्ट वेलकम योर पेन, सिट विद इट, प्रोसेस इट, फील इट. डोंट रन अवे बिकॉज इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन एनी वे. कहाँ भागोगे? कभी ना कभी तो बैठोगे ना, कभी ना कभी तो प्रोसेस करोगे. So just sit with it, feel it, let it go. धीरे धीरे. Number two, title of the video, cry out loud. Don't try to hold back. Don't try to be cool. रो दो. मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, उसने मुझे बोला था एक दिन कि भाई, रोना आ रहा है तो रो देना. क्यों सोच रही है कि क्यों आ रहा है, ऐसा फील क्यों हो रहा है? Why we analyze so much before crying or before feeling something that we don't want to feel? जब हम हंस देते हैं ना बिना सोचे समझे, हम हंसते हुए थोड़ी ना सोचते कि क्यों आ रही है हंसी. आ रही है तो आ रही है, तो रोना आ रहा है तो आ रहा है भाई, इट्स एन इमोशन. रो दो, क्या हो गया? जस्ट क्राई आउट लाउड. रो दो, मत सोचो भाई क्यों आ रहा है, कैसे आ रहा है, हुआ क्या, क्या रीजन है इसके पीछे. डोंट एनालाइज इट एट ऑल. जस्ट क्राई. बेशरम हो जाओ, रो दो, निकलने दो भाई. लेट योर बॉडी रिलीज व्हाट्स इट्स बीन कैरिंग. वीक नहीं हो तुम रोने से, बल्कि उसका ऑपोजिट है. You're able to release what needs to be released. Number three, accept your vulnerability. Stop judging yourself for being too sensitive or emotional. छोटी सी बात पे बुरा लगा है, रोना आ रहा है, गुस्सा आ रहा है, तो ठीक है भाई, आने दो रोना. रो दो, गुस्सा कर लो थोड़ा सा. क्या क्या बात बुरी हो गई? अपने आप को इतना जज क्यों करना है कि भाई इतनी छोटी सी बात पे मुझे बुरा क्यों लग रहा है? लग सकता है, तुम इंसान हो. और अपने आप को नेगेटिवली लेबल देना बंद करो कि मैं वीक हूँ, क्या मैं ये हूँ वो हूँ, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. नो. Let me tell you, if you're able to feel deeply, it's a blessing. Not everyone has it. Number four, be real with yourself. I don't care if you're real with other people in your life or not, but if you're not real with yourself, you're going to have many problems in your life, because who are you running away from? What are you trying to show yourself? That you're very cool, that you're not hurt? I'm telling you, being in denial only makes the weight heavier. Last reminder, no quotes here. Cry out loud. Cry out loud. रो दो. रो दो भाई, रो दो. सच में मत रखो अपने अंदर कुछ भी. It's not going to help you. It's only going to make you feel worse. So just cry out loud. Allow yourself. Sit with your emotions and cry. ऐसे रो दो भाई. I hope this video helps. And remember to cry out loud.